Make a career in finance, do you want to know what are the top 3 certifications in order of salaries? Let me tell you. Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanishka and I hope you all are doing good. In today's video, I'm gonna be telling you top 3 finance certifications in order of the salary that you can get with it. Okay, so let's get started. But before that, if you're new to this channel, then please take 1 second to hit the subscribe button. If you've ever liked my work even a teeny tiny bit, then please join the community by subscribing to the channel. And while you're at it, do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you're notified every time I post a new video. And for the very kind people who have already subscribed to the channel, thank you so much for joining me in my journey. I hope we stay together till the end of time. Okay, so a lot of you keep asking me what is the salary I can get after CFA, what should I do, CFA, CA, CMA, ACCA, all these questions keep coming up. And I was like, you know what, while I keep talking to people, let's use AI for a rare change. And I went to Google Gemini, my most trusted AI channel currently, not channel, AI software currently, and I asked that, hey Google Gemini, what is the highest paying finance certifications, the top 3 highest finance paying certifications in India? And the list that came to me was number 1, CFA. No wonder हम इस channel पे इतना CFA की बात करते हैं. So yes guys, CFA was number 1 on the list, and it said that people who have completed the CFA, get the charter holders, have a certain level of experience, can even get over 25 lakhs of a salary per annum in rupees. So that's actually very, very good. Number 2 on the list was CA, chartered accountancy. Again, people with experience who've completed it can get up to 20 lakhs or more, especially people working in the big fours. Number 3 on Gemini was FRM, which is basically for people who want to do risk management. There they said that you can get a salary of about 12 to 20 lakhs. In certain cases, even over 20 lakhs. Again, experience and everything matters. I did the same thing in ChatGPT, and by the way, वहाँ पे भी number 1 CFA ही आया था and number 2 CA ही आया था. So I really liked it. But then it made me think कि यार, okay, this is what ChatGPT is saying, this is what Gemini is saying, this is what a lot of y'all think. But then आप लोगों की बात भी सही है कि we completed our CFA level 1, we completed our CFA level 2, पर job तो मिल ही नहीं रहा. तो who the hell is getting these 25 lakh वाले jobs? So then I asked Gemini again. I was like, भाई यहाँ पे तो miscommunication हो रहा है. You're saying that people can get up to 25 lakh of jobs and my poor subscribers are struggling to find even a basic job. How? What's the problem? Then I found this answer, and honestly I kind of had it in my head, but I wanted to validate it with AI क्योंकि AI का ज़माना है. So the answer that I got is number 1, specifically in India, people somehow don't expect you to just have CFA, right? All the courses that I mentioned, be it CFA, CA, FIM, they are certifications. They are not degrees. And no matter how advanced we get, somewhere in the back of our head, we want that degree. We want that good graduation degree. We want that MBA degree. We want that master's degree. That kind of adds a certain level of value. I always tell people, if you can do CFA plus MBA from top tier college, you've reached gold. Why? Because these degrees, the bachelor's, the graduation, the master's, the MBA, they come with a thing called placement, which is not available in these certifications. So number 1, if you are doing any of these degrees, you have an upper hand because you get direct access to placements, right? Number 2, because you are mingling with so many people, like networking hota hai, you kind of, the people who are hiring you kind of know that, apart from the technical skills, your soft skills are also great. And number 3, ek reputation aata. If I say that I've done my MBA, again, like I said, no matter how advanced we get, MBA is known since years. CFA is known recently, last 10 years, last 12 years, right? So that kind of comes with, oh, MBA किया है मतलब बंदा या बंदी तगड़ी है. So that is one reason that people who've done just CFA sometimes really struggle to find a job, and that's why they feel like, यार मुझे तो बोला था over 25 lakhs मिल सकता है, but मुझे तो नहीं मिल रहा है या मुझे बहुत struggle करना पड़ रहा है. That is reason number 1. Reason number 2, which is very, very sad, in India, people expect even freshers to have some sort of experience. Like I've seen so many job descriptions where they'll be like, fresher और लिखा है ऊपर, and then they'll be like 1 or 2 years of experience. I'm like, how do you expect this? This is so tough, but that is the sad reality of life, that we want some level of experience. और ठीक है CFA कर लिया तो you are overqualified, अपने आपको बहुत घमंडी समझती है. ये भी एक रीज़न है where people do not get those high level paying jobs which they feel like we should get immediately after CFA. doesn't mean that people who do CFA are wasting their time या ये civic fad है and they will not get a job. I have seen also a lot of people who actually do get very good jobs because of their CFA. CFA is an additional part of it. Like I said, it can never be the core bit of them getting a job, but an additional bit that, okay, we did CFA, therefore they got a good job. The only problem is the struggle to find the job if you're doing it without a degree. You know what? I am gonna actually share with you 3 ways that can enhance your chance to actually reach to this 25 lakhs or a good paying job for that matter after or with doing your CFA. I'm not gonna make this in this video, it's the next video on this channel, so it's gonna come out on Friday. Stay tuned for it because those are tips that can be really useful for you. With that, I'm ending this video. If you have any other question or any other doubt or something else with relation to this that you want me to talk about further, then let me know in the comment section and I will make another video on that very soon. And if you like this particular video, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. I'll see you guys very soon. Until then, keep sparkling and definitely keep learning.